All eyes on Doge. Big run up. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.69. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody, Kriss here. Welcome on a Monday. We were waiting for this day. Big announcement, and it came. We were not surprised, or I wasn't. Some of you guys were. It's probably going to be a big nothing. It's a big deal. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. How's everybody doing? I'm wearing my green. You guys wearing green? Everybody wearing green today? I guess if you don't have any Irish in you, it really doesn't matter. But we can still support and love St. Patty's Day. What's going on, guys? Big news. Yep, it's coming out. Now, it's not everything. And I know some of you guys, you want it all. You want it all. Just give me all of it. But I'll tell you why you're not getting it all as well. Why it's a slow roll on the news. But all this talk about B-list, no. No, we got some A-list here, guys. We got some A-list. A-listers here. This is big. This is huge. Dogecoin, world adoption is coming. We've been talking about this for weeks. A lot of bears have been in and out, right? Bears circulating through the lives. I've held to my guns. I know a lot of you have too. Good feeling. A little bit of news here and there, dribs and drabs, but the end, the big thing is coming. Those with patience are the winners. Those who get tired and act like bears, sell out, leave, you're not going to make it. That's just the way it is. You're not going to make it. So, I mean, Dogecoin is still going to follow the market, right? But we did have nice trading this afternoon, somewhat on its own, but somewhat Bitcoin. We'll talk about what's going on with Bitcoin as well, the big short, what's happening with the big short. A lot to talk about. A lot to talk about. So let's get into it. Here's the big news, guys. House of Doge and the Dogecoin Foundation unveil the board elect, because it still needs to be elected, so it's board elect, the board, the advisors, and global adoption plans. But it's not everyone, it's a lot though. For those just joining us and not knowing what's going on, the House of Doge was created last month in a partnership with the Dogecoin Foundation to spread Dogecoin is world adoption, the world adoption of Dogecoin. Why do they want to do this? We'll find out their reasons once it all comes out. For now, though, it is about the global adoption of Dogecoin. And there's no Elon Musk in here. Is he involved somehow on the periphery? We don't know. But this is big. This is big. We have additional members being announced in the coming weeks, and I'll tell you why in just a little bit. But House of Doge has shared key details of its previously announced exclusive 5-year partnership with the Dogecoin Foundation. This milestone partnership aimed at advancing Dogecoin as a widely accepted global currency establishes House of Doge as the official and exclusive partner of the Dogecoin Foundation. Today, the team is unveiling details on their corporate strategy to drive large-scale adoption, as well as their distinguished board of directors elect and advisory board, which includes some of the top minds in payments, sports, global food and beverage, cryptocurrency, and technology. I know, Ryan, non-competes. You're stealing my thunder, dude. Non-competes. But hey, they got to do it, I guess. House of Doge will lead the initiative to integrate Dogecoin into mainstream commerce, corporate ecosystems, and everyday transactions worldwide. I mean, what else do you want, guys? Oh, I want the price to moon. You're here for the wrong reasons then. With adoption comes price appreciation. It's as simple as that. At the heart of this partnership is a shared commitment to Dogecoin's core philosophy, doing only good every day. Doing only good every day, accelerating Dogecoin's adoption as a functional and accessible digital currency. I mean, this is all good stuff, guys. It's all good stuff. The company has announced the board-elect, who will provide strategic oversight as House of Doge advances its mission. The seats have been accepted, and all directors-elect are set to assume their official roles as soon as legally permitted following the closing of the previously announced public listing. House of Doge and the Doge merger sub are expected to complete the go public transaction in the second quarter of 2025, as was disclosed on March 3rd. So this isn't going to be hitting the ground running now, but the second quarter is April, May, June. April, May, June. So who is on the board? Let's take a deeper dive. First, we have Sarash Mistry. He's the president and CEO of Sodexo North America. If you don't know who Sodexo is, well, Sodexo. Sarash himself manages a $10 billion portfolio in food services and facilities across 50,000 plus sites. His expertise in operational scalability and enterprise contract management positions him to lead Dogecoin's integration into high-volume transactional environments. For House of Doge, he'll spearhead efforts to secure 20-plus corporate sponsorships by 2026, unlocking large-scale B2B or business-to-business ecosystems. That's pretty good. Tim Stebbing, we know Tim, Dogecoin Foundation. And then we have Michael Gallaro, managing partner of ALO Finance. ALO Finance, specializing in financial structuring and risk management for emerging markets like crypto. His proficiency in capital allocation and regulatory navigation is key for Dogecoin's Q2 2025 listing. His insights will optimize funding and compliance, securing high-value corporate contracts for House of Doge. There are two others that are coming. One is going to be the CEO, and the other is going to be a legal person. They're coming. Advisory board, Jens Weikers, Executive Director, Dogecoin Foundation. Doug Wall, managing partner of the Shadow Partners, a Dallas-based private equity firm with a proven track record in blockchain and fintech investments. His expertise in crypto investment cycles and strategic partnerships drives portfolio success. He'll advise on capital raising to secure institutional support for Dogecoin's expansion at House of Doge. And then number 3, on the advisory board, Roger Ray, vice chairman of the Toronto Blue Jays. I was guessing Miami Marlins because remember Tim was down in Miami. I was like, yeah, Miami Marlins, right? No, it's the Toronto Blue Jays. Roger's the senior exec at Toronto Blue Jays, excelling in business development and fan engagement. His background in sports marketing, stakeholder alignment targets experiential commerce opportunities. He'll leverage Dogecoin's community ethos to break into sports and entertainment verticals for House of Doge. They already have 20 plus corporate talks underway. Dogecoin is poised for a transactional surge. And the House of Doge responds and says, very confident executive team will be well received as soon as allowed to announce. There are non-competes. So we're waiting. Who's the CEO? Who's the president? Who are these people? House of Doge says, we will not be disappointed. The last board member is very exciting for adoption plan and the community will embrace. Stay tuned for another fun partnership in the next 24 hours. Things are only starting. So, yeah, what do you think, Monica? Huh? Is it? Is it? I know. They didn't invite me. I'll be on the board. I'll be on the board for Dogecoin adoption, spreading the word of Doge. I do that already. I already do that. I'll be on the board. And of course, I again welcome the House of Doge team. Whoever wants to be a guest on the live stream, we can chat about Dogecoin and what all the plans are. That is still out there. As of now, you know, the guy with the blowhorn, right? Can you hear me? It's like, you know, Dogecoin isn't taking off yet in price. So, yes, Monica, I saw that. Same thing Elon posted a year ago. We covered it a year ago. Elon's post with the dogs, with the Dogecoins on the ground. Yes, we did. We covered that a year ago. And Elon just posted the same picture again. For those wondering, let me go to me. Of course, if you were watching my X stream here, you would have already known 2 hours ago what we're talking about because I posted it on X earlier. Let's see. At Elon. Let's go to Elon. It is St. Patrick's Day after all. We'll get more to some House of Doge stuff in a minute. Media. Doge. Save image as. All right. Now, because you can't really zoom in good on these, but we did this last year. I'll do it again because this is fun. This is fun. There's the picture, right? And then you zoom in and you zoom in and you keep zooming in and you keep zooming in and you look at the coins on the ground. Look at the coins in the little pot. They're Dogecoins, guys. They're Doge. Look at that. There's the Doge head. There's the D, the Doge D, and in the little pot too. They're Dogecoins. Why would Elon do that? They're Dogecoins. Yep. So yeah, he did post this a year ago, but he posted it again. A good picture. It's like, nope, they're not XRP coins. Those are not. They got like a bird on them or something. Not XRP. Not XRP. No hype. I know your love. No, not XRP. But the Doge coins, those are Doge. Those are definitely Doge coins. So that's fun. That is fun. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Let's get Doge. So Doge is at 17.5 cents. Hey, it was in the 16s, right? If we go back to our chart, we look back, right? What we were looking at, 16.1, 16.9. We dipped back below last night. Came down to about 16.8. And then here we go. So this is good. This is good. So what does this mean about House of Doge? Well, you can go to their website. We've looked at the website before. You can read the website, which says everything that they want to do. It's all kind of vague still, nothing specific yet, but it's coming. But it's coming. Payment integration, consulting, education support, and funding, all for effective Dogecoin adoption. And fate loves irony. Who said that? Whose quote was that? Fate loves irony. Huh. Interesting. So, of course, I put my name in here and I joined the wait list and I still haven't heard anything yet. And that was like a month ago. I'm still waiting. So this is House of Doge. And what has House of Doge spent their time doing? Well, they're on X. You can follow them, House of Doge, official corporate arm of the Dogecoin Foundation. And of course, they follow me as well. And they have just been reposting more and more and more. Here's the whole Toronto Blue Jays thing, which is cool. That's big. And he just, House of Doge just reposts and reposts and reposts, and even mine reposts my posts. So it's all good. And even Elon's St. Patrick's Day with the Doge coins. We'll find out more again tomorrow, another day. Meanwhile, what's up with this? What's up with the Bitcoin short? The huge Bitcoin short. If you haven't been paying attention for the past day, somebody, we don't know who, there are a lot of rumors out there, but rumors are just people making shit up. Remember that. It's the Lazarus Group out of North Korea. I don't know. They don't know who it is. But they basically have bet $8.3 million to create what was initially a $332 million short sale at a 40x leverage. 40x leverage. And last night, they were up like $4 million. This morning, they were up $5 million on unrealized profit. And then deposited another $2 million to increase the short positions. Increase the leverage again. Was sitting on 6.7 million with a liquidation price of 85,500. Someone from Dubai, you think they're hype? Gensler, right? But then the market started to turn around and was down $2 million because the price started going up because people started like, let's go get this short. Let's buy Bitcoin. So it was a lot of buying of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was going up, but then it turned around, started going down, and Mr. Short started deploying more. And it got to the point where he started closing some positions this morning. And that was after this. And I forget what his top, $11 million at one point when Bitcoin's price was really low. He was up $11 million. But then price started coming up. So he started closing some positions, but then he turned around and went all in again. But he's now down, as of an hour ago, $3 million because Bitcoin's price was going up. And as Bitcoin's price is going up, he turned from being in the green to being back in the red, and he's now down over $3 million. So whoever that is, man, there were a lot of jokes about Barron and Eric Trump. Like, it's daddy's money. We don't care. It was funny. That was a good one. So I don't know if they'll ever find out who's actually doing this, but the short is still open. The battle is still on. Many think that it's being done in preparation for Wednesday's FOMC meeting, in which some believe the market is going to tank because of something that Jerome Powell's going to say that's going to freak out the markets. I don't know. Pelosi? Shorting Bitcoin. Oh my God. But yeah, that's a big deal. That's a big deal what's going on there. So I'll keep an eye on that. And then finally, Doge Lord Elon Musk claims the U.S. runs magic money computers. He was on a podcast with Ted Cruz. He was just like, the U.S. just has these computers that can just print money without any oversight whatsoever. Magic money computers. This article is funny because it's talking about like the Bitcoin maxis and how they're all upset. So alarmed Bitcoin fans who have long viewed Bitcoin as a hedge against currency degradation. But, you know, Bitcoin was called magic internet money many years ago. Maybe Dogecoin will be called that, magic internet money. But the one thing that's great about Dogecoin is it takes work to actually create Dogecoin. It's a proof of work cryptocurrency. So there isn't magic about it. It's proof of work. Work is being done to create more Dogecoins, which makes it a perfect currency. As I've been saying for years. For those that don't know, it's been years I've been saying that. So, yeah, I don't know why Bitcoiners are all upset about that because, I mean, the government can create as much cash as it wants. Bitcoin has a fixed supply that helps keep Bitcoin as a store of value, scarcity, drive the price up, wealth building, everybody's happy. But we're talking about Dogecoin though here. And as I have said many times, Dogecoin is the better Bitcoin than Bitcoin because no one's talking about Bitcoin as a use of currency anymore, right? It's store of value, wealth building, strategic reserve, all that stuff. And Dogecoin, this is all about, this whole announcement is about Dogecoin as a transactional currency. Here's what Sarash Mystery says. The payments industry is rapidly evolving and cryptocurrencies are at the very forefront of innovation as corporations look for integrations to streamline their business. Spearheaded by House of Doge and the Such Pay platform, Dogecoin payments will pave the way for major enterprises who process millions of transactions daily to access a fast, cost-efficient crypto payment system with lower fees than traditional credit card processors. Guys, we are so early. We are so early. We're here before all of this is happening. Tim Stebbing says, we are thrilled to have House of Doge as our official commercialization partner and to sit on the board amongst this esteemed group. Yeah, good for Tim, right? He gets a little board seat. He did good. This partnership allows for the foundation to focus on developing world-class open source technology. That's Tim's big thing. While House of Doge leads adoption efforts through corporate collaborations, infrastructure development, and education, we are confident that through this partnership, 2025 will be a defining year for Dogecoin. Hey, that's this year, 2025. We're here. We're here, guys. Who's souring on Dogecoin? Who feels bad about Dogecoin? The price isn't mooning. I get it, right? These things take time. This isn't like an Elon tweet in the past, right? Where the price would shoot up and then come crashing back down. Nope. Slow and steady. Gains, as I say, is much better for Dogecoin. And I am going to continue to accumulate Dogecoin, to support Dogecoin. And I'm here just about every day now with you guys talking about Dogecoin. Does that not mean the price might not go down? It is market driven anyway. And if Bitcoin is going to get shorted and a whole bunch of other people piling on with the Bitcoin shorts, Dogecoin could pull back as well. That is the market dynamics work that way. Same thing happens in the stock market. Perfectly great company making a lot of profits can still have its stock go down because the whole market is going down. That can happen. But for this, for what's happening with Doge, we are early. We are early. The 4-hour chart is showing stability in the Dogecoin price right now from the dip that we had last week. This is strong, less volatility overall in the price as things are settling for a major move, in my opinion. Major move. So that's what we have for today, guys. Big news. Those are some pretty big names. And more names to come, maybe as soon as tomorrow. It may get there, A-star, but I know you don't have the patience. But it may get there. And Simon, I don't see Doge going to 10 cents. I just don't. We're not in an overall bear market, as I've been saying. Bearish, yes. But now I think we're in kangaroo market. We've had the pullback, and now we're going to bounce sideways. Some ups and downs going sideways. That was my response to Ali in his latest Dogecoin chart, which I'm not going to show. It's the same stupid chart. But I said, yep, from here, it's just going to bleed out sideways, and your upward channel is gone, Ali. It's gone. We have got Litecoin, Tom. Litecoin is a proof of work in the top 100. We have Ethereum Classic in the top 100. Also proof of work. There may be another smaller one. But you want to see the Ali chart? Sure. We can do the Ali chart. We done with Elon's St. Patrick's Day? I did download it. So yeah, we're done with it. I got it. At Ali. Sure. We'll look at Ali's. People were liking my comment on it. Yeah. Ali. He's just going on and on and on and on and on and on and on. There it is. Doge at the edge facing a big test. Will it break out or stand firm? And I said, as predicted, Dogecoin will bleed out of your channel sideways. It's just going to come right out of the channel sideways. As I've been talking about for weeks. It's like it's not going to go crazy up, but it's not dropping to 6.5 cents. This is going to bleed out sideways. That's it. It was a stupid chart anyway. But I do report on what's going on with Dogecoin, and Ali has a point of view. I share it. We talk about it. We laugh about it. And then we move on. I know, right? We'll be up at $18, according to Ali's chart. $18. Not happening. Not happening. KB says, I will keep adding to my Dogecoin count. Max, I feel neutral, but also excited about Dogecoin. Still a decentralized solution. No one has exclusive power over the currency. That is true. Bruce, you see, that's the thing. It's not Elon. That's the main thing, right? If Elon was in there, that would happen. They're still big names, but they're not the big, juicy, sexy names, right? These are the names that have the corporate sponsorship and the management be able to drive things on a slow and steady base, which makes it better. Everybody just concentrating on price escalation, wanting the price to moon. That's not what this is about. And you just have to change your mode of thinking away from that. Now, all of a sudden, tomorrow they announce Elon, the price is going to go crazy, right? I don't think that's going to happen. So we have to be ready. Slow and steady. Very early. Yes. You're seconding Raden's motion. What's the motion? What's the motion? Hold on. Oh, Pax for chairman of the board. Oh, I love it. Yes. Get that trending on X. Get that trending. I'll do that. I'll do that. Potential must now slowly be converted into a realistic, practical payment option. That's what they're working on. That's exactly it. Okay. I went up a bit. Now let's get caught up. What are you guys talking about? You are the early crew. We all are the early crew. We're early in the overall Dogecoin adoption thing. That's for sure. They believe in what they are doing, building an army of support behind them. Agreed. I don't understand why people buy Doge anymore. Can you explain? You're not going to make it, Bibbles. You're not going to make it. We went from Doge being a joke to it's getting serious. Isn't that crazy? And as I've been saying, and I started saying this like 3 years ago, that from Doge's early origins of just being a joke cryptocurrency, Billy actually coded a really good cryptocurrency. I mean, a really good cryptocurrency. And many believe the best cryptocurrency, the way that it's coded for use as a transactional currency, which was what the Bitcoin white paper was all about. But that's not what Bitcoin is anymore. It's now wealth building, strategic reserve, right? Store of value. Satoshi didn't talk about that in the Bitcoin white paper. No, it was a peer-to-peer electronic payment. And that's what Dogecoin can do. It just happens to have a dog on the coin, right? When you get that position, House of Doge, please don't forget about us. It's nice to talk about it not happening. Trickle out the news all week, trickle the price up. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yeah, Julian, I saw you had to sell a little. Buy more on the dips. There will be dips along the way. That's how markets work. May have to buy in a little higher. We'll see. Hey, Greg, how are you? Dogecoin long-term, going to be awesome. Enjoy the gift dips while we have them. In a matter of months to a few years, everyone will wish they got Doge at 16 to 18 cents. Very well said, Greg. Very well said. Right, Kilmar. That's not what it was about. And Tim Stebbing said it a number of times. It's like, if you guys just want like the price to pump, that's not what Tim's about. And that's not what this whole House of Doge thing is about. It's not about that. Dogecoin is a hammer candle on the weekly. A hammer candle. Yeah, again, people can do all kinds of like shapes and whatever. I'm like, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. This was the Doge, right? That was the Doge that we had last week. Got the Doge candle. That's not what makes the price go up. It really isn't. But I get it. People want to draw pretty shapes and things like that. And like, okay, we got it, right? There we go. Let's go. Because that's going to do it. I don't know. I don't know. The news will cause more price action any day than some form on a chart. And of course, the shorts as well. Here's the Bitcoin heat map. Again, big shorts up here. These are the pile-on shorters that have joined Mr. Short, the big short, to try and profit off of his heavy shorting, thinking that the price is going to go down, and they may just get wiped out. And that's not that far away. 84.7 up to 85, up to 85.2. And it's tens of millions of dollars right there, just on a short term. Tens of millions of dollars. On the Doge chart, not a lot going on. Again, there's some shorts up here. 17.6, 17.7, up to 17.9 are the biggest ones. But there's always new leveraged longs that come in as well to try and piggyback on a big price move. And they're starting to build down there. Starting to build. But right now we're in the market dynamics, up and down, up and down. Bitcoin coming back down, so everything else is coming back down with it. If you're holding for years to come, many say that's how you make money in cryptocurrency. It's not the short spikes that are going to do it. It's the time of holding over years. Years. Expect nothing until something happens. Did your taxes today? Going to get back 3K? A-star? For being a bear, you're on the Dogecoin bandwagon. Maybe you'll get a nice dip and you'll catch it. I'm borderline, Dr. V says. Sell all or hope for the moon. Wow, that's all or nothing right there. Yeah, bribe the board. They know who I am. The House of Doge knows who I am. I don't know who's running their X account, but he knows who I am. I just heard the prices on gold. Gold hit 3,000, and then it fell back just a little bit. Oh, it's back over 3,000. There we go. Gold is up. Peter Schiff is happy. It's all about gold with him. $3,000 for an ounce of gold. So pretty interesting to have both gold and Bitcoin up at the same time. Typically, they're inverse. Gold. Anybody buying gold here? I don't know if I'm buying gold at 3,000, but I did join the Robinhood Gold giveaway. We'll see if I win any gold. I won't mind some free gold. Anyway, Darth Mike says, don't look at the price. Look at who's developing for the crypto project, which chains are being actively developed. Well, we're talking about Dogecoin here. We're talking about the partnerships, the integrations for payments of Doge. Glad I'm early. Living the dream. Like watching a child grow up. All good. At what price would you buy if there was a massive sell-off? Most people are buying now. If somebody's still waiting for 10-cent Doge, right? Then whatever cash or tether or whatever you have sitting there in a limit order, it's not gonna fill. Not gonna be a massive sell-off. I don't see that happening. CDC's at work, but you're here. Awesome. Hanging out here. I see a water buffalo on the chart. Yes, the famous water buffalo symbol. Bruce, if the partnerships and everything is growing, bear market will not take Doge down to 10 cents. And that's what appears to be happening. Good evening, Fox. A-Star, Stebbing did not hype up the House of Doge way too hard. It was a tweet on a Friday night. It was like, no. No. I don't think so. Dogecoin forming a reverse ninja kicking a dolphin. On the 3-minute chart, of course. Greg is looking at a Irish giveaway today. I heard liking the stream is free. Only a third of you actually like the stream, so I don't know. The inverse 4-leaf clover. Everything's computer. Yeah, I saw that. Funny what things just all of a sudden take off. My first crypto was Dogecoin also, Crypto World. I'm in Doge for the long haul. Will, you've got unsettled funds. Unsettled funds. Isn't that the worst? You're just like, come on. Come on, I need to buy. Sometimes it actually works out, though. Maybe we'll have a dip tonight or tomorrow. The 100 crossed the 200. Flow still, it doesn't matter. It's just two lines crossing on a chart. We covered that. All that talk about like the death cross and what happened, nothing. Doge actually went up. People are all freaking out. Oh, death cross, death cross. And I'm like, yeah, it'll probably go up. And it is. It's not the actual gold, Killixer. I think it's a, I think Robinhood is actually just giving out the shares of some gold trust or something. I don't know if it's actual gold. Is anybody on the verge of selling? People can be bears, but still hold on to their Dogecoin in case it goes up, but they're just feeling it's negative. That's all right. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, Jalderman. That doesn't work here. You're asking for silver as a wedding gift. There are many who think the silver price is underpriced and silver could go on a big run. I don't know. It's a commodity. It just I'll be in crypto over silver any day. I'll be in crypto. You've got buying power in Robinhood for the gold giveaway. That's what I've got. I just put it in Robinhood, let it sit for a month, see if I win any gold, and then I send it to the IRS because it's my capital gains taxes I need to pay on my profits from 2024. So it's sitting in Robinhood right now, all for the gold giveaway. And then I'll transfer it back to my bank and send it over to the IRS. So if I win gold, it's like, it's all because of capital gains taxes. Set a limit price at 70 cents. Yeah. I'll set a buy limit at 70 cents. Sure. Wouldn't it be great to say, yeah, I'd like to set a buy order for 70-cent Doge? That could happen one day. That could happen. Well, Billy says Doge is made in the USA. If the United States actually does some kind of capital gains tax, you don't have to pay on profits on US-based cryptocurrencies. Is Doge going to be on that list according to the government? If you zoom out on the monthly, it spells rigged. Gold price go up. Exactly, Kilxer. But actually, the chain goes up as well because of inflation, not just the price of gold. So I think part of that price escalation is inflation. Another nothing burger day. I don't know. It's just the price isn't going to spike like you want it to or expect it to, or you actually don't want it to, so you can be more of a bear. Nobody said the price was going to spike up. But now Ryan wants a burger. See what you did? But you're holding on to your 33 Doge. Okay, Anthony. How are we doing, Luca? What's the news? Just scroll back to the first 10 minutes of the live stream and you'll get all the news. Kind of tough to go over it all again. A channel full of wrecked dumpers getting advice from a moon boy who cashed his stash out and told you all to hold your positions. Wow. How wrong can somebody be? Wow. I don't know where you've been, but you missed the boat. Totally missed the boat. Yeah. Peter Schiff has his Robinhood account like all maxed out so he can win gold on Robinhood. That's a good one. Every once in a while, Ryan, you got to sell a little for bills. I get that. Yep. Raiden reminds everyone with a very nice super chat. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Raiden. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe. It's actually really real gold and silver, Will. I haven't looked at the details. Hey, if they want to send me a gold bar, I'll take a gold bar. Probably need to sell part of my Doge bag to help me out on the mortgage closing costs. You know, my mortgage closing costs were just hardly anything. Again, no bank. You buy a house all cash. No bank. Hey, Craig, all in on Doge, only crypto I own, thinking I should have a little something else. Would you choose ADA or XRP? I would choose Bitcoin. That's my answer. Seriously, Bitcoin. If you're going to own some Doge, you should also be exposed to Bitcoin. If it was just between those two and you really, really twisted my arm, I would say ADA. And I know Hype doesn't want to hear that, but he knows how I feel about XRP. Can you make money on XRP? Yeah, probably. I just don't like the project. I'll just leave it at that. I know. I got 20/20 vision of the past. You do have a buy order at 9 cents? Really? Okay. 11.8? Okay. Trigger buy at 2 cents? Okay. I don't know what Doge 5L is, King Zano, and nor do I want to, because it's probably not Dogecoin. How much silver is in robots? Isn't it all like stainless steel and platinum and other metals? Yeah, $18 Doge, I know. Who knows in 10 years? That's the thing, paranormal. There's no way to know. There's no way to even think about it. I know, right? How wrong. A Momtaz wannabe, maybe. Hey, John, new sub. Thank you. It seems like you tell everyone to hold and all you do is sell. Wow, all you do is sell. So, John, you've subscribed. Go to my channel. Go to my videos. And scroll down a bit. And you tell me where I tell everyone to hold. You tell me. Where do I tell everyone to hold? And then look at this one right here. Look at this one from 3 months ago. It's called Taking Profits. You see that? Taking Profits. Do you know when I made that video? I made that video at the end of November. You know what the price was then? It was 42 cents. And I'm telling everyone, hey, take some profits. That's not telling everyone to only hold. That's like, guys, take some profits. It's right there. You see that? Taking profits. It's right there. End of November. Price of Doge, 42 cents. And I'm saying, hey, guys, take some profits. So, John, get with the program, dude. No hype. I said it then when Doge was up high. It's like, don't get this thought in your head where you're just going to hold till $1. Because I did that in 2021. And I said, I'm not doing that again this time. Vance took some profits at 42 cents, just like me. I did the same thing. People are giving me crap about taking profits at 42. Oh, you don't believe in Doge. I'm just like, you don't get it. You don't get it. So, John, thanks for subscribing, but let's be real. You got a lot of videos to catch up on. Thank you, Craig. One person gets a 1 kilogram bar. 990 people get a 2.5 kilogram bar. Okay. Well, I want to get the whole kilogram, not a 2.5 gram. Rumor, gold at all-time high because they're trying to fill Fort Knox up for inspection. Oh, John, dude, seriously. You just have the wrong mentality for this game, John. You really do, dude. You really do. I appreciate the sub, but man. I tell the news, I read the comments, I give my thoughts, I tell you what's going on. I told you things are building, right? We get some news out today and everyone's all depressed. It's like, oh, Dogecoin's not going to the moon. And I'm just like, I never say that. I never say that. Oh, God. But thanks, Charles. Appreciate it. Yeah, let's all take profits now, right? Everybody sell so that somebody can buy at 2 cents. Sure. Oh, my God. That's all right. It's all good. Don't let Karen get you. Yeah, that's me. Paper hands packs. Yeah, we had fun with that last month. Paper hands packs. I told you guys what my plan was from 2.5 years ago. And I executed the plan. And I don't know how I guess I'm to blame for making $2 million in crypto. I guess so. I don't know. Just saying. If you were with me 2.5 years ago, you could have made a lot of money too. I told you all what I was doing. James took some profits. Yep. What's the point of the market? Damn hippie says. What is the point of the market? Take some profits. Oh, yeah, the bears are not going to make it. What's up? Yeah, life is good. Exactly what Raiden says. If you all did what Kriss did, you'd be sitting in a brand new house mortgage free. Raiden gets it. He's going to make it. Yeah, let's all sell our Doge, drive down the price, and then buy back in lower. Oh. Silver is becoming the #1 most used rare metal in technology. Interesting. I didn't know that. I didn't know they were actually using real silver, John. Greg, thanks for the support always. Appreciate it. Respect. Thank you. I bought my first Dogecoin in 2021, and I sold half of that first Dogecoin at the end of November of 2024. And I was perfectly open and honest with it. Bought 500,000 Dogecoin. At the end of January 2021, I sold 250,000 of it. It was my first slice of profit that I took. And I told everyone I was taking profits. Elon is not involved in the House of Doge news, as predicted by KrissPax. You're welcome. I know. How dare I make some money and buy a house, especially with no bank involved? How dare I? Somebody the other week said, why did you have to sell so much? You could have just sold part of it and still got a mortgage. I'm like, dude, you're not going to make it. You don't get it. You haven't been listening. The whole idea is to be bankless, to not rely on the banks. Max Doge I've held about 2.85 million Dogecoin was my top. It was about 2.85 million Dogecoin. My price prediction end of March was 24, 25. I forget now. Maybe 26. I'll stick with that. But yeah, maybe 20 cents at this point might be more realistic. Yeah, we still have half the month to go. Good couple weeks. Some good can happen. Oh, I should have consulted John first, right? 4,000. The homes we are looking at are north of 4.5 million. May have to look at something a little smaller. Look at the weekly volume. Some technical analysis on the weekly. Hard to do. The volume is kind of ticked down from the fall. And we talked about the week volume and how cryptocurrency just is not having sort of the excitement and the attention that you would expect here in 2025 full bull market. That's what it is. That's what it is. Trump said there would be disruption at the beginning of his term, and we got it. All the tariff war talk, all the inflation stuff that is slowly going away. Interest rates won't be cut yet, probably in May. That's still my prediction. Some of these things take time. People aren't willing to wait, though. I can't help you. That is true, Anthony. When I talk and speak about Doge, I create a positive inclination for Doge. Yes, I do that. I'm very bullish on Dogecoin. Doesn't mean the price is going to spike up. It's all building as Dogecoin as a transactional currency, and it's building. And I've been very clear on that message for years. You can go back to my old videos. And what am I talking about? The use of Dogecoin as a currency. Yeah, DB, thank you. Cheers, Takoa. Happy St. Paddy's Day. I know Anthony is 33 Doge. One day he's going to be able to buy a lot of things with those 33 Dogecoins. Compo took 20% at the highs in January. Just take a little slice. That's all you need to do. Ah, yes, Doge is dead. Oh, there's always somebody, right? You do realize that Dogecoin, for a dead currency, is the 8th largest cryptocurrency. You do realize that, right? 8th largest cryptocurrency. Not dead. Totally not dead. And it's going to follow the market. Like if Bitcoin is going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles, Doge is going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles. It's just following the market, guys. It's just following the market. Crypto, leap of faith. Doge has excellent utility built in. Even Grok agrees it is the best coin for speed and price of transaction. Exactly. Yeah, DB, it's a combination. We've got inflation and real estate price appreciation happening at the same time, particularly in Boston. Real estate prices in Boston are far exceeding the pace of inflation. So here, it's a combination. There are many areas of the country where that's not true. Greg, let's get some green in the Doge chart with the St. Patrick's Day giveaway. 5 spins worth. Guys, 5 spins. What do you think? We need 169 likes. We need 169 likes for 5 spins. Thank you, Greg. Always. 5 spins. Thank you, Greg, sir. Need the likes up. Linda, I'm not talking pumps, okay? Seriously, I'm not talking pumps. I'm talking slow and steady gains. Good news today. First 10 minutes, sunshine. First 10 minutes. 15. I spread it out a little today. You still see Doge as a nothing burger. Well, good luck with that. Yep, Crusoe, yep. XRP went on a big run, no doubt. But we'll see what happens. Long term. Long term. I never said Ripple was dead, and I'm somebody. I did call it a stable coin last summer because it was acting like one. I admit that. But I never said it was dead. And I've always said you can make money on XRP. And yes, you can. I just hate the project. That's all. Well, we got a lot going on, Sally's Dream. We got a lot going on today. What's up, Jason? If Stebbings asked me to be on the board, would you accept? Yes, I would, Bruce. I would accept. Can't wait for the announcement. Mergers, companies, global adoption. It's all growing there, Sergio. I know, right? People always ask me that still, though. where can I short Doge? I'm just like, you don't get it. You don't get it. This isn't that channel. Go to one of those YouTube channels. All right, Nye, welcome back. And I don't get the short trader. Again, I've never shorted, so I don't understand what it means. You know, he covered some, but then he bought more. I don't get it, but he's still in the game, but he's behind right now. Still behind by a couple $1 million. It's like, okay. Yeah, there's the news. Exactly. Kriss is the new chairman of the House of Doge. Doge does have a very large community. That is true, Anthony. It's not dead. Definitely not dead. Welcome, Greg. We're all having fun here. Slow and steady wins the race. As Frank says, yeah, it has slow gains. Dogecoins keep getting mined. But as Elon Musk says, that helps its use as a transactional currency. Because less people just want to hoard it. They want to use it. Dogecoin. Yes, House of Doge is a public company. They are going to be listed on the stock exchange. That's their goal. This is huge, guys. You have no idea how big this is. You all just want the price to pump. Not you all. Some of you just want the price to pump. But no, big things like this take time. This is serious stuff. Even with a meme coin like Doge, it's still serious stuff. Holy bubbling Bing water. It's all good, Crusoe. It's all good. Just got home and liked Doge ETF. Yeah, I'm kind of against the ETFs. It's like, yeah, I don't need them. That's not what Doge is about, the ETFs. Doge is about buying the actual Dogecoin and using it, not some people just buying and trading the ETFs. But 200 likes is in reach. We're at 180. 20 more likes. We could get 200. What's coming is a tsunami of hyper tokenization. It's already here. 34 million stupid crap tokens are made. It's like, yeah, let's get rid of all those. The ghost in a shell. I remember that. Ghost in a Shell. I did see that movie, I think. It's from a few years back. Yeah, I saw the Doge list. It's not up to date. There's a lot of companies on there that don't exist anymore. I did not go to the parade. It was Sunday morning. Did not go to the St. Patty's parade. Nope. Look at Vance, guys. 5 more spins. If we get to 200 likes. Guys, you got to do this. You got to do this. 11 more likes. Northern Orbit's here. Checking in. Can win some Dogecoin today. Awesome, Vance. Prices will be laughable. We could be in like serious bull market starting back up. As Raiden says, keeping it slow and steady wins the race. That is true. the House of Doge would be a publicly traded company. That's what they're talking about, is House of Doge becoming publicly traded. Just go to houseofdoge.com. You can see their website and what they're talking about. And adopting Dogecoin through strategic partnerships, innovative payment solutions, and ecosystem development dedicated to establishing Dogecoin as a widely accepted decentralized currency for everyday use worldwide. I think having a publicly traded company that supports that is pretty big. That's pretty big. Doge is the next US dollar. Doge has an inflation that's built in, and it is predictable. It is steady. It is known, right? Everyone knows what it is. As Elon says, it makes people more willing to spend Dogecoin. That's what it's about. And Elon Musk did say that. Future of crypto, future of transactional currency. You've took profits on other cryptos, but never on Doge. Been with Doge since 2019. Yeah, your wife probably had a good reason to yell at you, Brian, for Saturday Night Live. Looking back, yeah, she was right. Yeah, I know 3,000 in MicroStrategy. Yeah, I don't know what MicroStrategy doing. It's now under $300 a share. You used Coinbase Advanced for the first time after all these years. Wow. Yep. Advanced is the best place to trade, Sunshine, in my opinion. You actually see what's going on. You see the actual buys and sells as they happen. You can see where the bid and ask prices are. I usually zoom into about a 5-minute chart instead of a 15-minute chart. Really watch what's going on. The chart spells rigged. Yeah, I don't know how long it takes once a company gets listed. I don't know the difference on different exchanges or platforms or way you get to buying stock. I would imagine it would be on Robinhood pretty quick, though, with the Dogecoin association. All eyes on Doge. Big announcement. Watch the first 10 minutes, Mike. I went over it in detail. Might be your lucky day today, Mr. Takoa. All right, guys, let's do some giveaways. We've got over 200 likes. It's St. Patrick's Day. We are having a special green giveaway on St. Patty's Day. Green candles for the giveaway. You just have to type in Dogecoin in the chat, and you'll be entered to win some Doge. We're going to do 5 giveaways of 33 Dogecoin each, and then we'll see where we go from there. So all you have to do is write Dogecoin in the chat. And if your name is drawn, you have a choice to make. You can be entering just for the fun of it, and then you can just decide to pass it on. Or you can send me an email to chriscrypto@gmail.com that includes your YouTube handle and your Dogecoin wallet address that begins with the letter D, because we need to have it on-chain, actual on-chain transfer of Dogecoin. So, yes, I'm going to join. I haven't won yet. With 5 spins, you know, I should at least win something. And we'll see how rigged it is. We'll see how rigged it is. So yeah, so if your name comes up, please respond in the chat with a hey, I won, which I take to mean you'll take the Dogecoin, or you'll say, hey, I won, but pass it on. If you want to pass it on, then we have another spin. We respin that. And the more hype we have in the chat and everyone chatting it up, the more the green candles on Dogecoin's price goes up. Yes, price goes up. Now, nobody send me your Dogecoin wallet address if you don't win, because I just delete those emails. Only if you win. And that's what we do here, is we do have some fun. But it's nice also to, do only good every day. We have some very generous KrissPax family members here, spreading the love of Dogecoin. That's what we do. So exactly as Raiden says, let's have fun. Max definitely has a good feeling. Ryan is the winner. Now, I'm not going to get around to giving away the Dogecoin till tonight, so don't expect it like right away. You are way behind, but you don't want to leave and watch the first 10 minutes because we're doing the giveaway. Right. You got Dogecoin in the chat. And then after the giveaway, then you can go back to the beginning and watch the great big announcement that came out earlier today. Oh, yes. We have official Ryan. Not the OG Ryan, but the official Ryan. All right, let's do a giveaway. Let's go. Woohoo! Do only good every day on a St. Patrick's Day. And the first winner is Greg Smithy. Hey, Greg. Congratulations. This is our giveaway number, what, 28? Giveaway 28. Greg Smithy. I just keep track of everything, you know me. Do you have Irish luck, John? Holy cow! From Greg. All right. Yes, that's your name. All right. There's our first winner. Now let's go again. You're welcome. Let's draw again. Let's go. Draw number 2. Robbie Jeromel. Hey, Robbie. Congrats. At the end of the giveaways, I'll give out my email again and the deets. in order to collect your Dogecoin. But we need to hear from Robbie. Nice. There he is. Congrats, Robbie. Many winners have never received Dogecoin before. Nobody has ever given them Dogecoin before. And that's what this is about, sharing the love of Dogecoin every day. Awesome, guys. Hey, maybe I'm going to win now. Come on, KrissPax. Come on. I feel it. I feel it. Marshmallow. Hey, we have a marshmallow in the house. I didn't know. Marshmallow. Congratulations. A marshmallow in the house. It would be cool if Elon was actually Marshmallow. Yes, you're being block type. Hey, you've won before. Where's Marshmallow, though? Ah, there you are. You're welcome. All right. Spin number 4. Spin number 4 for St. Patrick's Day. Come on, KrissPax. 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 Jairo Lopez. Dogecoin. Yes, Jairo, you won. You already typed Dogecoin in. I think Jairo is spamming the chat with Dogecoins there. But congrats, you won. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, we got one more spin here, guys. One more spin. No, Jairo is not eligible now because I ticked the little box that says once you win once, you don't win again during this day's worth of spins. So you're welcome. Let's do it again. Draw number 5. Raining Dogecoin. Yes, Frank, we're raining Dogecoin. Anthony's trying to get 33 more Doge. But Tlobos wins. T. Lobos. I know my name didn't show up. We got a lot entered today. Let's go. Yeah, Vance, gotcha. It takes them a long time. So for those winners, you are to send me an email to KrissCrypto@gmail.com. That's KrissKrypto, KrissCrypto@gmail.com. And you need to include both your YouTube handle, because it's probably different than your email address, and your Dogecoin wallet must begin with the letter D, so it's on the Dogecoin blockchain. Wallet-to-wallet transfer of Dogecoin direct from MyDoge wallet to your Dogecoin wallet. That's how we do it here. And everybody's got their Dogecoin. We've had a lot of winners. No, Dr. V. If you pass, that's not one of your 3 wins. Right, as Greg says. We want to share the actual receiving of Dogecoin amongst as many people as possible. So like if Will wins again, he'll pass it on. Because he got a little extra too. Well, but that's all right. We're having fun. It's all good. All good. Dogecoin is just kind of hanging out sideways right now, 17.3. Bitcoin, yeah, not getting back over 84K. Again, this battle with Bitcoin kind of going on, but with low volume. So I don't know how much of a battle this really is. It's like the big short is still open. And I thought all these guys were going to like buy up Bitcoin and take out the short, but it just doesn't have enough momentum to do that. More drip. If you want to donate for future Dogecoin giveaways, my Dogecoin wallet is in the description below, and just put in the note that you send along that it's for a giveaway and who you are, so I know. If you win 6 times and pass it to Will, Will will be bad. Poor Will. He won 4 times. He got 33 extra Doge. When super chat with crypto? Never. Google just isn't going to adopt it. I don't know. Maybe once Elon does, maybe Google will adopt it. But are they in the USA or international? Some are USA, some are international, Matt. I think it's a mix. Because we know the one guy is like a VP of the Toronto Blue Jays, so he's probably in Canada. One guy was in Dallas, the fintech guy. So all over. I don't know where the Sodexo chief, I don't know where he's from. I know, Will. 4X. You are the 4X guy. What's ETH doing? 1939. ETH is kind of curling up a bit, trying to show a little strength. But again, still sub 2,000. That's weak. Weak on the ETH side. Yeah, Vance, Robinhood is slow, slow, slow. I asked Gemini which crypto is best for transactions, and not a single mention of Doge. I tell you, Google just not it. Not Google. Would be cool to see Dogecoin debit card. Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, I wonder if the House of Doge would work on something like that. And if there's a way to make that card actually do. I mean, if you could get that card tied to a crypto wallet, right? Your Dogecoin wallet. So that when you use that card, it initiates a wallet-to-wallet Dogecoin transaction. That would be cool. And maybe such pay would be an avenue, with an extension or something would be able to do that. That's a good idea. The future of Doge is bright. One more night. One more night. 10x for ETH. Wow. Crusoe. 10x. You didn't specify over how many years, though. Because it could take 100 years. It could take 100 years for ETH to 10x. I know, Vance. So slow. I know. ETH is down. Magic 8 Ball hanging out. Yeah, we followed Toncoin last fall when it was going crazy. But then Pavel Durov got jailed, Toncoin dropped. But now Pavel is at least a short-term reprieve, and Ton kind of moved up. Again, I'm not going to buy it. It's a Telegram related thing. I don't use Telegram. So I'm like, yeah, I'm good. Missed out on a huge run because of it. But yeah, this was last Saturday, this big run up. Ton was already trading pretty well from the end of last week. It's had gone from $250 up to about $293, but then spiked up. It's holding pretty well up there. But from what I heard, Pavel Durov is only a short term. He got his passport back and he's able to travel, but he's got to go back to France for something. But yeah, I don't trade this. I don't trade that. Right now, it's Dogecoin and it's Bitcoin. Is Ton a token or a coin? Well, it's called Ton Coin, but that doesn't necessarily make it a coin, because we know that with Trump coin is not a coin. It's definitely a token. I guess you have to go to the white paper. Most likely the website isn't going to say. Let's see. The Open Network, Ton, is a revolutionary blockchain platform originally conceived. Unique multi-blockchain architecture. I know it's not proof of work. Fastest growing blockchains. It has infinite max supply. So there you go. Infinite max supply. Total supply 5 billion, but there's only 2.5 billion in circulation, so only half. Yeah, these are tokens. Looks like they're tokens. Can I adopt you? Hype. Hey, we'll have an adoption party in Boston when Dogecoin reaches $1, okay? We did one giveaway, and we might have a second one. A lot of people left already thinking that was it. Well, hey, Robinhood came through, dude. Something like that is already out. Doge card. But was Doge card really connected to a wallet? I thought you just collected Dogecoin if you didn't actually pay in Dogecoin. So, yeah. Now I want to watch The Color, buddy. Yeah. So the House of Doge would be part of the S&P or the Dow Jones? Maybe. I mean, it wouldn't start that way. To get into the S&P 500, that's a big deal. But it'll be on the stock exchange, yep. Yep. Could be an early investor of the stock. Tokens, yes. Tokens. Let them leave. Better your odds of winning. I know, Vance. Made it. Yeah, you just get Doge rewards. No, I'm talking about a card that actually pays in Dogecoin. Melania token. Crypto doesn't require a verified ID and social security number. Depends on where you get your crypto. Once you have it, I mean, they're not going to be looking for that when you make a payment. If House of Doge gets into the S&P, we won't be able to count our money. I did see one Bitcoin ATM in Boston at the South Station. I haven't seen it. I haven't been there over there in a while. So I don't know whether it's still there. The ADA market cap is getting close to Doge again. When's going to be the ETF of Doge? I said October. I've been saying that for months. I still believe probably October. People are like, oh, next week. And I'm like, no, it's not next week. Not next week. Why did Mr. Short do a long on Melania token? I have no idea. That was a strange bet. That was a really strange bet. I don't get it. He must know something. He made Melania pump, but then Melania turned around and dumped again. This. Boom, and then dump back down. So, and he didn't close the Melania position the last I saw. So Melania is almost all the way back down where it was when he made the bet. Barron betting on his mom. Yeah, I think that's why a lot of people thought Barron might have been involved, right? Coinbase card you can link to your specific crypto of choice. That would be cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to close this out, the giveaway tool, and we're gonna have to do it again. We're gonna do 5 more giveaways, but only for the people that are still here. So we're gonna do it again. You have to type Dogecoin in the chat. Again, I'm making you type it in. I'm making you type it in. So let's go. Dogecoin. We're doing it again. Dogecoin with a capital D, please, like you see on the screen here. Capital D in Dogecoin. And no, don't type out Dogecoin with a capital D. That's lame. Raiden. That's lame. Oh, look at Melania in the background. I don't want Melania token. Dogecoin back here. Green candles. That's what I want. Dogecoin. And I'm going to win someday. I'm going to win. Rigged. Melania. Oh, we should have done Melania. Oh. I know. Pick Kriss. Exactly. Sunshine. I want to win. I want to win me some Doge. Yeah, we could do that. While we wait, while people are still typing in Dogecoin.
All eyes on Doge. Big run up to the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up to the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up, upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up,
There we go. Oh, who's going to get struck by Doge lightning? We almost have as many likes as concurrent viewers now, so you guys are in the game. That'll be a good question for me to ask Matt if I ever get Tim or someone on the House of Doge on the show. That'll be a great question. Almost 100 entries for the group that's left, because we don't want to give Dogecoin to people who left the stream thinking all of the giveaways were done, when we actually hinted earlier that there could be an extra set of giveaways. Even Crusoe might win. Huh? What do you think, Crusoe? Maybe RR. Maybe KrissPax. We'll see. All right, guys, here we go. Drawing number 1. Let's go. Who's going to be the first contestant on The Price is Right? Oh, I saw my name. I was so close. Art Scholar. Hey. I was so close. Oh. I was so close. Art Scholar, how are you? Oh, yeah. Congrats, Art. If that's your name. I'll just call you Art. Congrats, Art. That's a name. All right. Let's go again. If I was close once, does that mean I get it the next time? Yes, John, I saw your name too. The official Rhine. The official Rhine. Congrats, Rhine. Not OG Rhine. No, not you. Imposter. Congrats, Ryan. Again, at the end of the draws, I will give out the deets again to those that need to send an email. We'll go through that again. All right, Ryan, we're good. Let's draw again. Number 3. Get your free Dogecoin. Hurry on up. Type Dogecoin in the chat. Paranormal. Paranormal. Yeah. Oh, there you are. Lucky day for Paranormal Trio. We've got 2 more draws. Thanks to our friend Vance and his generosity today. Spreading the love of Dogecoin. 2 more draws. It's a lot of Doge. I'm going to be busy tonight. It's a lot of Doge. Sly Lie Lighted. Sly Lie Lighted. Hey, Sly. Congratulations. Sly and the Family Stone. Or Sly Stallone. Sly lie. Yes, it was your second win. And Sly is passing it on. Sly's passing it on, guys. Thank you, Sly. Awesome. You are awesome. We're going to do this again. All right, let's go. Because Kriss wants some Doge. Frank R. Congrats, Frank. Total fake. Rigged. Fake. Frank? No way. You pass it on. All right. Frank is passing it on as well. But congrats, Frank. For those who are close, this is not horseshoes or hand grenades. We're drawing again. We're on a roll, guys. We're on a roll. Markovitz. Hey, Mark. Congratulations again. See multiple winners coming up. Now Raven, let's give him a chance here. He'll take it. All right, Markovitz is the winner of draw number 4. Thank you again, Sly and Frank, for passing it on, spreading the love. No harm, no foul. We've got draw number 5. Here we go. KrissPax. KrissPax is going to win. KrissPax. Rod. Hey, Rod. Congratulations again. Didn't I just pay you? I did. Last night, I just sent you Dogecoin from the night before. It's all good. It is all good. Welcome, Rod. Congratulations, everybody. That is how we do it. Here at the KrissPax fam. Got a great family here, spreading the love. And look at the green candles on Dogecoin for St. Patty's Day. Yes, green candles are good. That was our last one. Irrelevant for today. That was I got a lot of Dogecoin to give away tonight. Dogecoin printing a bullish dragonfly Doge. Ramses, just like 2017. Yeah, we looked at the Doge earlier. You don't have to spam the chat. We got it. But thank you. We got it. Good. Ramses, we're good. Yeah, we looked at the Doge. And of course, Trader Allen recognized the Doge on one of his charts yesterday. It's all good. Doesn't mean the price is going up or down, though. But that's okay. Andy, it's all right. You're here. We're doing good. Ramses, I don't want to put you on a timeout, dude. Fake. Bitcoiner. Fake. You're welcome, John. Oh, a bullish fake. Okay. Raiden, hey, thanks for another super chat, man. Appreciate it. Green candles, always good. We like the green candles. Also, Takoa, green candles, all good. Thanks, guys. Zyman, thinking bearish tonight. Thinking bearish. World Liberty's buying AVAX and Mantle. Boy, they just buying. Whose money are they spending? Papa Trump's? Are they spending Papa Trump's money? Or is this all Justin's son's money? Because Justin gave them a crap ton of money. I know, it's a whopping 33 Doge, Anthony, just like you got. Whopping. Whopping. It could just be a puzzle piece. It could just be a puzzle piece. If this was a Bitcoin giveaway, yeah, 33 Bitcoin. We're giving away 33 Bitcoin. That would be something, wouldn't it? That would be something. 33 Bitcoin. Yep, all fake. Exactly. All fake. And all my fault. Thank you, Greg. Generosity is awesome. Sure, we can do that. What color will more candles be tonight for Doge? Green. Okay. All right. There we go. Please vote in the chat, guys. Please vote in the chat. Will wants red. Be able to buy in more at a lower price. Today's KrissPax poll is brought to you by Zyman. Zyman wants to know, green or red? We could do orange, but that's not a choice. We did bear or bull market, but we included the kangaroo market because, we do have an in-between one, and kangaroo won, and I was right. It is a kangaroo market. I was right. Kangaroo market. You bought some AVAX? The PS5 Web3 game Off the Grid is built on AVAX. Cool. 1 Bitcoin is nice, Monica. One to be a whole coiner to hold 1 Bitcoin. That would be on the news. 33 Bitcoin being given away. That would be on the news. It's my fault and it's all fake because you didn't win again. Max. 33 Bitcoin, 33 million views. The ad revenue on that would not match the value of the Bitcoin, though. That would be a major boss move, though. To win, and they'd say, pass it on. I just won 33 Bitcoin, and I passed it on. Oh. Vance, thank you, man. And we learned something, too, like how freaking slow Robinhood is, right? Oh. Imagine 10 years from now when Dogecoin is 1,000 a coin, Kriss was giving away 33 Doge a spin. True, Bruce. I remember when you used to, or I've seen the stories that you could collect free Bitcoins from a faucet just by putting in your email address, you could get a Bitcoin. Free. Hey, Kate, Bitcoin. Let's stop it. Don't need to spam the chat. Green for St. Paddy's Day? The weapons are tokenized on Avalanche as NFTs. Oh, that's cool. I mean, that's what people have been talking about with this Web3 gaming thing. So they're actually doing it. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I got a bunch of emails, Ryan. Yep, I got you, DJ. Yep. Yeah, I got a bunch of them. Rod again. Bogdan. Paranormal, gotcha. Marshmallow. Greg, gotcha. Robbie. T. Lobos, yeah. And also the Art Scholar, gotcha. It's almost all of you. Yeah, Bruce, you didn't win. If I had 33 Bitcoin, I'd give away a few. Someday. But Doge is more fun. That is true. Now the poll, Simon, to be fair, the poll might be a little jaded because of the, it's St. Patrick's Day and all. As Sally's Dream says, it's St. Patrick's Day, so you choose green. Oh, my email, right, Ryan? I did say I was going to do that. There you go. So the email for the giveaway, email me KrissCrypto@gmail.com. That's KrissKrypto, KrissCrypto@gmail.com. Make sure that your name, your YouTube handle name, that is, as well as your Dogecoin wallet address are in the email. Yeah, Ramses, watch the first 10 minutes of this live stream, and I tell you what is the house of Doge. Okay? First 10 minutes. I pick green. But do you think it's going to be more sideways? Yeah, a little kangaroo action. I give my 33 to Charlotte. Now, Charlotte's not here tonight. She's working late probably. Giving away 33 would be a top signal. Trades of Dogecoin appear to be algo bot trades. Could be. Happy Irish Day to you. Let's manipulate the market. Let the Doge price drop to 13 cents and then do 20x longs. I wish we had that power. I remember back in 2021, there was a YouTube live stream guy who was like doing that, like late at night. They would just pick some random coin and they would just pump it all to hell and then sell. That'd be tough to do now. But 4 years ago, that was very doable. Everyone who wins here will tell stories of how they got rich from a free YouTube stream giveaway. True, Craig. And of course, one Doge will always equal one Doge. Just another Doge Day afternoon. True that. Wesley, we had a very exciting live stream today. You have to watch it from the start. I don't see Robinhood integrating Dogecoin. It's a great idea, but I just don't see Robinhood doing that. You will be receiving some Doge, Ryan. You will. Yep, I got you. Yeah, later tonight. Change the name and you can stay. But Bitcoin, I mean, I do want to know what you think about Dogecoin. I mean, seriously. What do you think about Dogecoin with a name like Bitcoiner? 22-cent Doge? It's not that far away. He's going to change his name to Dogecoiner. Dogecoiner. We will convince him. The Dogecoiner. Yeah, I mean, we're just kind of, typical kind of trading, but it is an upward trend since, we were watching from last night when that big short happened. The whole market went down. There were a lot of people just piling on, shorting the market. But since then, it's been, what do we got? Higher lows, right? So that's a good sign. Don't hate, just educate. Wow, Greg, that's a good one. Don't hate, just educate. 81% on the green candles tonight. More green than red. So we'll continue to be higher. We'll be over 17.4 in the morning. Okay. We will see whether we get over 17.4 in the morning. That is awesome. Okay, guys, that's what we got for today. Thank you on the St. Patrick's Day for sharing. Late afternoon, evening, morning time, whatever it is for you. Having fun with the giveaway, sharing the love of Doge, talking about the house of Doge, big Dogecoin adoption. It's growing, it's building, guys. Just watch the first 10 minutes, Premsty. Watch the first 10 minutes, and you will see what's going on. Everyone have a great evening. We'll be back tomorrow, another live stream. Having some fun, as always, with Doge. See you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.